Have delivery for
David Brian Vaughn. Here, Your Honor. Maybe we can just hear. Heather Leanne Walden. Paul David Ware. Paul David Ware. Troy Lamont White.
Here.
Thank you. Margaret Spencer is on transport. Keelan Snell.
Here.
Justin Burton.
Here.
Jeffrey Jacob. Here. Ashley Huggins. Reuben Brown.
Here.
Other than those on the transport, I think we have Rochester and Miss Anderson. Is there anybody else here that believes your name should have been called as being on the docket but did not hear your name called? Anyone? All right. Let me call through the list of those that I did not give credit for being here to make sure that you are present.
delivery for Jean Calvert, Judge, and Patricia Marshall.
Okay. What is it? Who's it from?
Harvey Lane, Searcy.
Okay.
I'll get you to sign, please. If you would print your name for me, also that would be great.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Oh, yes.
All right. This morning, ladies and gentlemen, you are in the County Court of Law number 2. My name is Jean Calvert. I'll be the presiding judge. The reason you're on the docket today is because I've received information that the state of Texas has filed a criminal charge against you.
I present to you here the legal definition as provided by Black's Law 5th edition, which is one of the most widely used legal dictionaries in the world. The definition of the word information. It states, a formal criminal charge made by a prosecutor without a grand jury indictment. The information is used to prosecute misdemeanors in most states, and about half the states allow its use in felony prosecutions as well. So, be wary of the word information when it's used against you or in a conversation which you are involved in, and also be wary of your use of this word, which more than likely is being used out of context in most cases. Just thought I'd present that to you and make it known to all those who don't know or didn't know the legal definition of the word information. Now we will go back to the video.
Normally, that means that they've received some sort of report from a law enforcement agency or somebody who's filed a complaint against you, and based on that information, they've done a preliminary investigation. They believe there's evidence to suggest that you were involved in some violation of the law. They have formally filed an accusation against you. Now you are being brought to court, being notified of the charge, and I'm going to try to go over with you this morning the rights that you have in relation to those charges, the options you have with trying to proceed to get those matters resolved. If at the end of the morning you still have questions about what you're accused of, what your rights are, what your options are. Please feel free to ask me. I'll be glad to go over those things with you, try to explain it to you in a way that you can understand if you don't follow the instructions that I give. There's quite a few people here today. I'm going to ask that you try to be attentive and not distract the people that are sitting around you, because they are interested in making sure they understand what's going on, even if you already feel comfortable in knowing what you need to do. At this point, as I mentioned, you've been accused of breaking the law. That does not mean that you're guilty. I suspect in a group this large that there are going to be several of you that either get your case dismissed or you're going to be found not guilty of the charge. Some of you, on the other hand, you know you're guilty and you're just looking for the best and fastest, fairest way to get your case resolved. There's some of you that aren't even sure what you've been accused of. Some of you have been in courts numerous times. Some of you I recognize your name and your face. And some of you, you've never been in court before. Okay? So we're going to try to address issues that deal with each of you. So please just try to listen, and at the end of the instructions, if you have questions, feel free to come forward and I'll address those.
And we out of here. My appearance has been recorded, or at least it should have been. If it hasn't, then, you know, they faking. Water? You want some water? Get some water. Get some water. Hurry up. Let's go. Ready to get out of here. Yes, you can press the button. And here we are just now leaving level 3 county court at law number 2, right down that hallway, as you can see. No, we are going to number home. Yes, drop it. Push the button. Push it. Alright. Which way is the exit?
Right there.
Oh, okay, thank you. Exit. Salida. Come on, come on. It does, huh? Sit down and put on your seatbelt, little girl. Get your books. Now, I myself, I personally witnessed Judge A. Jean Calvert reading my notice of appearance which was delivered to him today by, or received by, Patricia Marshall, with today's date on it, 1/22/14. And this delivery receipt, I sent also a notice of appearance to Patricia Marshall, court coordinator, who actually signed for this, as witnessed on the video that was recorded previously to this. Okay, and here is the other delivery receipt. Now you can make you up one of these delivery receipts like I did. I did it in about 10 minutes. Okay, but it said delivery receipt, date received. I pinned in the date, which would be today's date, 01/22 of 2014, delivered to Patricia Marshall, court coordinator of Ellis County Court at Law Number 2, where you have video of me actually sitting in the pew, I would call it. I don't know what the hell they call it, but whatever. Address County Court at Law Number 2 of Ellis County, 109 South Jackson, Waxahachie, Texas. Where we are right now, as you can see, in downtown Waxahachie, right here, parked at the corner of Main Street and College Street. And the delivery item number HLLS 012202 was delivered to her today. Also, delivery item number HLLS 012201 was delivered to A. Gene Calvert, Jr., Judge of Ellis County Court at Law Number 2. Address County Court at Law Number 2 of Ellis County, 109 South Jackson, Waxahachie, Texas. And both of these were received from Harvey, Lillian, Searcy, who was the person charged, not me, so don't get it confused. I'm just the authorized agent and representative, but whatever. Alright, so I have my delivery receipt that my notice of appearance was delivered to them, and this shall be reflected by and on the court record as per the instructions and order provided in the notice of appearance. See, somebody's a little impatient. You need to calm down, because I'm busy right now. Alright, now this is my documentation that I personally provided them with what they wanted, or what they requested, or implied to request, I guess, which was the appearance of the ens legis Harvey Lee Lane Searcy. Not me. They didn't ask for the flesh and blood man, you know what I'm saying, who goes by the name Harvey Lee Lane Searcy, but they personally asked for Harvey Lee Lane Searcy, and that's what I gave them, with a notice of appearance, which shall be documented and recorded on the blog here at hLLS.co.view. That's hLLS.co.vu. And now we on the road. Let's roll.